Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Pocket HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get logged in into your Pocket HR account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.pockethrms.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official page of Pocket HR. So simply hit the sign in button. From there, as you want to get logged in into the HR account, you need to tap on the HR login section. Then simply type in your username and your password of your account and tap on remember me as well. So after you are done with this, you need to tap on the login option to get logged in into your account. However, if you've forgotten the password, then you can also tap on forgot password to reset the password of your account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.